In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to remove wishlist from WooCommerce. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to manage the wishlist options in WooCommerce. So, if you want to manage this particular button available here when you go to a product page, you will need to go to the settings related to WooCommerce. So, to remove or manage this, change the design, position, and so on, go into the WooCommerce settings and access the wishlists category. So when you hover over WooCommerce at the left, you choose settings, you will have plenty of categories, and the last one should be wishlists. Now you can manage how the wishlist will be displayed. The main thing is allow guests to create lists. If you switch this from yes to no, only registered users will be able to manage the wishlists. You can have a message for guests if depending on the option that you have set up here. And then you have a bunch of other things. If you want to edit this button to change its position or especially its design and its colors, then you can do so here. Change the button, change the CSS, and you can even make it hidden. So by adding the option to hide it in the CSS, it should go away from the page. It seems like there is not a direct way to simply remove it altogether, but you can easily hide it in plain sight or remove it altogether using CSS here. Besides this, you will be able to change plenty of other things, like if it is a link, a button. So if you change this from button to link, instead of being displayed in the form of a button, it will be a link that people can click, and you can explore all of these options. Remember to save them at the end, otherwise these changes will not take effect. And if you would like to learn more about what you can do with the wishlist, then visit the documentation page, and in here they will have an extensive overview of all of these categories. I hope I was able to help you on how to remove wishlists from WooCommerce. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.